In front of me is another Magic8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and click on Autofill with Google here. Now tap on Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password at the top to input all of those informations. If you can't see Add Password option, that means that you never added one before. You need at least one for this option to be visible and to add another one manually. To fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords is on and log in into any app. After that, you will see a Google Password Manager pop up. Select Save and your password will appear here. Now to add any other one, tap on Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, type in any website or hit Select App and click on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!